All right, now, so for the very fun part, we're going to upload the strategy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use just mock moving averages. So what we want to do first is delete the system generated one, which is appears to be a 14. You see that? It says moving average 14. That's how you can tell which moving average it is. So we're going to delete that. Delete indicator, and then we're going to go up here to insert indicators, and then we're going to go to trend, right? Because a moving average shows and helps with the trend like we spoke about. And then you're going to click on moving average, and then you're going to add whichever period it may be. So let's say you wanted a 25-day moving average, right? I'm going to do this example a few times for you guys, and we're going to make it, let's just make it this color. And then we're going to make the line a little thick. Let's see, do we need any of this stuff? No. And we're going to hit OK. So now you have that moving average, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and add another one. I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go to indicators again. I'm going to go to trend. And I'm going to go to moving average. And this time I'm going to add a 65-day moving average. And I'm going to change the color because I need to see a difference, right? All right, and I'm going to say OK. That's how you add your indicators to your setup.